Yeah. Who's that from?
Mimi and Papa.
Yeah. You want me to open it?
Looks like a cool beach bucket, too. So crinkly, boy, oh. Cats are gonna like that.
Okay. What's in there? What?
He just immediately starts eating.
Okay. Pick it out of there. See what's in there. No, pull these out. Pull them out. What's that? Top of a carrot? The bottom of the carrot? Okay. What's this? That's cool. That.
You can.
Oh, ew, fun.
Yeah. What's this?
Robot?
Oh, that's cool.
Where did we get that from?
That came from Mimi and Papa.
Yay! Look at their side.
Cool.
What's that guy name?
I don't know. We'll have to watch it and see.
Yeah, it was. These are the old robots.
Yeah.
Jack, have you ever seen that movie? You have?
I never see it too.
Look, what else is in there? Pull it out of there. Yeah.
Can I have some too?
In a minute.
Can I have a treat too?
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
yeah.
that's
What?
cute.
Sure.
That is cute.
Yeah. Okay.
What is
Get everything out of there and then we'll look at it.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Cool.
Putting everything in a pile over there on the rug.
Oh, jelly beans!
Yeah.
Go there.
Maybe Jack wants a jelly bean.
Yeah. Give Jack a jelly bean.
What's that stuff? What's that? A frog hopping game.
Oh,
You a jelly bean? Okay, there
cool.
you go. You like it?
Nice shot.
Oh, that's cute.
Cool.
I like that bucket. That's a fancy bucket.
M&M.
Yeah.
It looks like a Skittle.
It might be a Skittle.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Isn't that cute? A little cheeky riding a bike.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you very much, Ian?
Thank you